Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will diving into the world of application software and exploring its significance in our digital lives. Whether you are a casual user or an aspiring developer, understanding the application software is essential. So let's get started. To begin, let's define the application software. Application software is a set of programs or of applications designed to perform a specific task on a computer or a mobile device. Application software are the end user software. A user interface is that a portion of application which allows you to control and interact with the program. Most general purpose application used for a mouse and graphical user interface that display a graphical element called icons to represent familiar objects. There are various types of application software, each catering to different user needs. Here are the few common categories. First, productivity software. This includes word processors, spreadsheet, presentation tools, and email plans to help and enhance the productivity and facilitate the office tasks. Second, multimedia software. Multimedia applications like video editors, audio players, and graphic designing tools enable us to create, edit, and enjoy various forms of media content. Third, communication software. Instant messaging apps, video conferencing tools, social media platforms fall under this category, facilitating seamless communication and connections. Entertainment software. From video games to streaming services, entertainment software offers a range of experiences for relaxation and enjoyment. Popular application software. Microsoft Office Suite. This suite comprises widely used productivity tools such as Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, which are essential for many office-related tasks. Word processors create text-based documents and are one of the most flexible and widely used software tools. All types of people and organizations use word processors, create memos, letter, reports, and faxes. Students and researchers use word processors to create reports, documents, guidelines, etc. Microsoft Word is the most widely used word processor. Other popular word processors including Google Docs, Corel Word Perfect, OpenOffice Writer, and Apple Pages. Spreadsheet organizes and analyzes a numeric graphs such as budget and financial reports. Once used exclusively by accountants, spreadsheets are now widely used in nearly all professions. Marketing professionals analyze sales trends. Financial analysts evaluate and craft stock market trends. Students and teachers record grades and calculate grade points and averages. Most widely used spreadsheet program is Microsoft Excel. Other sheet applications include Corel, Quarto Pro, Google Sheet, OpenOffice Calc. Researchers show a people learn better when information is presented visually. Presentation graphics are programs that combine variety of visual objects to create attractive, visually and interesting presentation. They are excellent tools to communicate a message and persuade people. Some of the widely used presentation graphics programs are Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, Corel Presentation, OpenOffice Impress, Adobe Acrobat, Apple Keynote. Adobe Creative Cloud. This comparatively collection of creative software including Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and more empower the artists and designers to bring the idea to life. Desktop publishing program allows to combine text and graphics to create publication of professional quality, while word processor focuses on create text and have ability to combine text and graphics. Desktop publisher focus on page designs and layout and create documents such as brochure, newsletter, newspaper, textbooks. Popular desktop publishing includes Adobe InDesign, Microsoft Publisher, and Adobe Project Tools. Web browser applications like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari provide with access to vast volume of the internet and allow the seamless browsing. Web browser is a type of application software specifically designed to access and display information on the World Wide Web. It allows the user to navigate a website, view web pages, interact with the web-based application, and access various online resources. Social media apps. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok have become an integral part of our lives, enabling to connect, share, and discover content. Social media apps are specific categories of application software that allows users to connect, communicate, and share content with others on social networking platforms. These apps provide a platform users base and create profiles, build online networks, share update photos, video, engage with the other users. Importance of application software. Enhance efficiency. Application software streamline and tasks, automate and process and boost efficiency, saving time, effort, and various domains. Improve communication. Communication software facilitates instant messaging, video calls, and social media interaction, enabling us to stay connected with the friends, family, and colleagues across the globe. Creative expressions. Multimedia and design software empower individuals to express their creativity, whether it's editing videos, design and graphics, or composing music. Entertainment and recreation. Gaming applications, streaming services, and multimedia software offers a vast array of entertainment options, providing relaxation and enjoyment. Conclusion. In a conclusion, application software play a vital role in our digital life, enhancing productivity, enabling creativity, and facilitating seamless communication and entertainment. Whether you are using productivity tools, multimedia software, or a communication app, understanding their functionality helps productivity to make a digital world. Thank you for watching. We hope this video had provided a valuable insight into our world application software. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.